I'm Lea Ricci from Columbus, Ohio, and I am a people person. The best part of being an agent is that I have the opportunity to be there for them during a really important time of their life. A real estate transaction is a big deal. It impacts people from a psychological standpoint, emotional standpoint, and of course, oftentimes it's one of the biggest financial transactions of their life. These are people, and I want to make sure that I'm going to help and advise them in the best way I possibly can. My careers prior to real estate would include being a registered nurse, direct selling, and marketing research. I had a job that I loved a lot, and I got laid off, but it was actually a blessing in disguise because it's how I ended up in real estate. One of the reasons that I chose real estate was because I was looking forward to be able to continue to care for people, but just in a different way. So I believe that my background as a registered nurse really helped me to be very protective and to really care about and care for my clients. I just love to take care of them. My main job as a real estate agent is to be a client advocate. So I'm there to protect their interests and to advise them. I'm not just interested in selling them a home. I want to make sure it's the right home. It's not about the transaction, it's about the service. It's not about a sale, it's about service. To be an agent and help people find that special place that they're going to call home is an honor and a privilege.